Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're checking out this absolutely beautiful looking bird house feeder. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. The detail. So stunning. Absolutely love this, guys. So to put the seed in, you just lift this up, place the seed inside, and line this right back up and put it right inside, just like that. Comes with the carrying hook, which loops right in like this. Let's go ahead and hang it. But first we have to add some bird seed. Alright guys, so we have it set up right here. Now we just gotta wait for the birds to come. What I'll do is I'll probably give the birds some time to realize that it's here. Then maybe we'll set up a camera, at a future time.